Hello, this is Mr. A, and what I'm going to show you today is how to complete this first assignment in Perusall that involves annotating a video. All right, so the first thing I notice when I'm at course home is I see my assignment. So you can see at the assignments tab here, that's where I am. So I click on this one right here. You can see it's already open since it's the assignment that is due the soonest. And I'll see the instructions here on what to do. I'll want to make sure to read those so I know what I'm supposed to do. In order to enter annotations in a video, we're going to hit add comment as we're watching, and then you'll see it'll open up a little thing window to enter an annotation at that point. For today, what we're doing is we're answering questions about the video as we go through. You can always watch a video and then rewind to the positions where you think you're going to use the evidence. And we're going to do the first one together. So right here is the first question. Sojourner Truth experienced violent mobs during some of her public speaking events. Why did people oppose her, and how did she respond to such opposition? If you use the graphic organizer, you'll have sentence starters, and I'm going to use those sentence starters in this case as I go through this first question. I'm going to click on Work on Assignment, and then I'll get this little blurb. The first time, I believe, it'll go through and give you a tour. The instructions, can pop up for you at any time. And go ahead and start.
Protect her, but some crowds bigoted audiences as the only black woman in the crowd. Truth was confident God would protect her, but some crowds responded to her bravery with violence. During one of her sermons, a mob of white men threatened to set fire to the tent where she was speaking. In her memoir, Truth recalled steeling herself to confront them. Have I not faith enough to go out and quell that mob? I felt as if I had 3 hearts, and that they were so large my body could hardly hold them. She placated the men with song and prayer until they had no desire to harm her.
Once I've found the evidence that I want to rely on, I'm going to see that glowing add comment bar. I'm going to click that right here, and I'm going to start a conversation. You'll probably find that other conversations have already been started around that area. So I'll go ahead and plug in my sentence starters. People oppose Sojourner Truth because. People oppose Sojourner Truth because they disagree with her message. You probably would want to give a little bit more about what her message was specifically, to show what they disagreed about. But I'm not going for a perfect score because I want to show you how the scoring works. Sojourner Truth responded to the opposition by, and it's probably easier to summarize in this case, but you'll get a link to the transcript if you need it. I should say if you want to do it that way, and you can use a transcript to find the exact wording, and then you can quote like that, or we can just give the general idea here. Say by praying, she responded to the opposition by praying with and singing to the crowd. All right, then I have to submit in order for it to count. So I'm going to hit enter, and I'll be able to tell that it submitted because now it looks like a comment. There's another little open comment bar beneath it that other students will be able to come and use to respond to my answer if they want. And then I'll go ahead and continue watching and finding additional answers from there.